Sisal AI chat apps right now one of the top growing AI chatting apps because some other apps are either closing down, becoming paid only, or buggy. So here you see it. Sisal transforms the way you connect with AI. Here, every chatbot feels alive, thinking, speaking, and interacting with real emotion and authentic voices. Choose from countless characters, each with their own stories, voices, and personalities. Whether it's a celebrity, a movie hero, or a legendary figure, every chat feels like a genuine conversation. Create your own character, generate stunning images, daily free conversations. And then you can just open it up. So here you see different pricing plans, also premium plan. There is $5 per week. And here is the app. It's actually very similar to Chai app, the whole design and everything. So then, for example, here's how the chat looks like. You can just message. I don't think there are a lot of limits in here, so you can just send messages and everything seems fine. So here then you can just see instructions. You can edit. You can regenerate. There's another button. You can restart. You can share. Report share block. So there is some new user special for your first purchase where you can also get some gifts. You can also get ultra, better memory. Again, you can just upgrade. Then you can create your own AI character, create your own post, create images. Then you see your chats, you see support in here. And then also you can just find some friends. So you can just find some people in here. You can see who is following them, their posts. You can just report them, just see the tags. Then you can see your own profile. You can see settings. You can see the details, delete an account. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So here you just see that. That's the idea of the app in a nutshell. Pretty cool, very minimalistic. It doesn't have that many buttons or issues, but that's what you have here.